How to change language on ClickUp. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the language on the ClickUp website. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into ClickUp, and the ClickUp is actually an application that we can use for working on databases, collective working, cooperating with your employees in regard to data management and databases. So it's actually an application where you can do a holistic amount of things. Now, when you log into clickup.com, this is the place where the magic happens because this is the main homepage and you can navigate through anything that you like, any project that you're working on, any task. You can also assign tasks on clickup.com. So once when you log in, what you need to do is you need to click right here on the top right corner and go to settings in order to change the language. So we can move down, and here you can see the language bar is right here. We can choose any other language apart from English, like French, Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, and like Italian. It's completely up to us, and we can also select time zone. For me, the time zone is Asia, Karachi, and I would prefer English over all these languages, so I'm going to keep it just like that. But that's how you can change language. And you can also change the time and date format as well, like start of the calendar, is it Sunday or Monday, 12 hour, 24 hour, how the date format should be. But those things are not necessary for this video. The main thing is the language part, and this is how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, I would please recommend you to like this video to see more informative content like this regarding ClickUp and other applications as well in the future, and do subscribe to the channel as well. So I'll definitely see you in the upcoming videos related to all these things. So stay tuned.